Hello everyone, welcome to this informative session where we will explore an important concept in plant breeding. So the topic of the day is hybridization. Have you ever wondered how new and improved crop varieties are created? Well, hybridization is the secret behind it. In today's video, I'll walk you through what hybridization is, how it works, and the different types that help us achieve better crop production. Now, talking about the definition of hybridization, it means it is a process of crossing two or more plants with different genetic constitutions to produce a new plant called a hybrid. So this hybrid plant, it has got combined traits from the parent plants, making it more stronger, more productive, or even resistance to diseases and pests. So this hybridization is playing a very crucial role in improving crop varieties, and it's one of the most effective ways to combine the best features from different plants into one. We'll go for a classical example, one recorded example of natural hybridization, which was observed by cotton mather in maize, which laid the foundation for using this method to enhance agriculture. I hope you understood the definitions. Now we'll talk about what are all the main steps involved in hybridization. So the main steps involved in hybridization goes with the 3 points. The first point will be the selection of parents. Second one will be your emasculation, and third one will be your bagging. Now talking about the selection of parents. First, we carefully select male and female plants with the desired traits. So it's important to test both plants to ensure they are homozygous, means they carry the pure traits we want to pass on. So that will be the first point. And second step, I told you already, it is called as emasculation. So what do you mean by emasculation? In which you are going to remove the anthers to prevent it from self-pollinating. And finally, what the other one is called as a bagging. So we protect the stigma by covering it with a bag to prevent any undesirable pollen from fertilizing the flower. So these are all the 3 steps involved in hybridization. The first one will be the selection of parents, second one is emasculation, and third one will be a bagging. So now I think you're clear with the steps involved in hybridization. Now we'll talk about the types of hybridization. What are the types? We'll be having 4 types of hybridization. It is based on the relationship between the plants being crossed. So what are the 4 types? The first one will be intravarietal hybridization, intervarietal hybridization, interspecific hybridization, and lastly intergeneric hybridization. So we'll just talk about a simple definition for intravarietal, intra, I-N-T-R-A. So what do you mean by intravarietal hybridization? Intra means it involves crossing plants from the same variety. It involves crossing plants from the same variety. So where it is used? It is commonly used in self-pollinated crops to enhance specific traits. So this is intravarietal. I'm talking about intervarietal hybridization. So in this method, what is happening is that the plants from different varieties of the same species are crossed. So this is called as intravarietal, and it is a very popular way to improve both self-pollinated and cross-pollinated crops. So this is intervarietal. And thirdly, we'll call it as interspecific hybridization. It occurs between the plants from different species within the same genus. Different species within the same genus. So what is the main benefits? That is, it is often used to transfer the beneficial traits like disease, pest, or drought resistance from one species to another. So what will be the example is that we can take Gossypium hirsutum and Gossypium arboreum, which produced a hybrid called Deviraj. Alright, and lastly it is called as intergeneric hybridization. So intergeneric is we cross the plants from two different genera. So I-N-T-E-R. So intergeneric means we are going to cross the plants from two different genera. So although this technique is very time consuming, expensive, and often results in hybrid sterility, it has produced interesting hybrids like Raphanobrassica and Triticale. Alright, so this is intergeneric hybridization. So these are all the types of hybridization we have talked about. So intravarietal, interspecific, and lastly we spoke about the intergeneric hybridization. So in conclusion, what I say is hybridization, it is a powerful tool in plant breeding. It's offering immense potential to improve crop varieties. So from selecting the right plants to protecting the hybrid seeds, each step will play a vital role in creating stronger, more resilient crops. Alright, so if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to stay updated with more fascinating topics. Thank you.